In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Canva Pro free trial. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to start using Canva Pro without paying anything upfront during the trial period. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer, laptop, or even your tablet. In the address bar at the top, go ahead and type in Canva Pro free trial, then hit enter. This will take you to the Google search results page. You should now see a list of links related to Canva and its Pro plan. On this page, look for the official Canva result that mentions Canva Pro as your all-in-one design solution. It will usually appear near the top of the search results and should clearly show that it's from Canva's official website. Take a second to confirm the URL looks correct, so you know you're on the real Canva site and not a third-party page or an ad from another company. Once you've found the result that says something along the lines of Canva Pro, your all-in-one design solution, click on it. This will open the Canva Pro landing page in a new tab or in the same window, depending on your browser settings. Now that you're on the Canva Pro page, take a quick look around so you're familiar with what's being offered. You'll see some information about the extra features you get with Pro, like premium templates, advanced tools, and brand options. Somewhere on this page, usually near the top, you'll see a button that says Start 30-day free trial. Go ahead and click on that button. After you click, Canva will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These may include creating a Canva account if you don't already have one, or signing in with an existing account. You might also be asked to choose a plan and enter payment details. This is standard for most free trials, but remember that you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial period ends. Follow each prompt carefully, reading the text on each screen so you understand what you're agreeing to. Once you complete those steps, your 30-day Canva Pro free trial will be activated, and you can start exploring all the premium tools and features right away.